Hello everyone, just like to apologise firstly for not doing a video in a while. Just a little update on the car situation. The CL500 I sold, it just felt a bit temperamental to me as a car. So I sold it on and made a profit, so that was all good. I then came across this on eBay. So it's a 1996-7 S280 W140 chassis. It's had 4 owners, 2 of which were companies, so they were owned by the companies and then purchased by the employees. So technically 2 owners, you could look at it like that. It's done 99,000 miles, and the service history is incredible. It's got 26 services, all by Mercedes Benz main dealers. The last service was in 2021, and that was a total cost of over £6,000, the service. Literally anything that they said it needed, the guy said yes to. It had a full respray in 2017, which wasn't of the best quality, unfortunately. So yeah, the roof's faded quite badly, but I've done a test patch over there and it's going to come up all right. So today's going to be, I'm going to clean the outside and polish the outside and see how good I can get it to look. The insides, unfortunately, there's no befores because I've already cleaned it 3 nights this week, so about 7-8 hours just cleaning the inside. So I'll show you that in a minute. So yeah, I'm going to give the outside a good polish, see how good we can get it to look. The only other paint issue is just some bubbling near this rear arch, so that needs doing. So that quarter panel is going to have to be painted. And then the rear window, all the rest of the glass, because it's double glazed, I'll show you in a moment, is really good, but this has started to delaminate. Mercedes don't make them anymore, but I have been able to find one via our glass supplier, and it's £450. So I'm just deciding whether to go with that, or I may possibly just put some black vinyl there to cover that up. So there's that. So yeah, I'll just show you some bits on the car, because it is incredible. I've never really had a close look at one of these, but as a piece of engineering, it's amazing. So just the thickness and these doors, that seal is about 3 times the thickness of the W140 E-Class. It's just incredible. So you've got that seal there, then there's another seal up there, and then also another seal there. So this thing is incredibly quiet. And it's also got, I'll just pop a window down. It's like actually double glazed, like not like the CL where it's just 2 sheets stuck together. There's actually a vacuum in the middle, so it's just incredible. So there's that, and also it was one of the first cars to have soft close, which has decided to stop working for some reason right now. Anyway, we'll come back to that. But yeah, it does work on every door apart from the one over on that side, so I just need to look at that. But just the weight of the doors, and they've got that noise that everyone raves about, don't they, about tank. It is like a tank, this car. So you've got that. I don't know if this is going to work. I think the vacuum, yeah, there's a little chrome handle that pops out, so you don't get your hands dirty when the car's dirty, opening and closing the boot. That's soft close as well, and it just pops back in. So you've got that. So I'll just go around and show you some other bits. So this is the interior. Obviously, I've given it a clean. The leather needs a bit of work, so I've got a leather guy coming next week. We'll probably have to replace those 2 panels, and then he's just going to recolour the seats. It's all cleaned up brilliantly, as they do, because they're so well built and the materials are so good. Just a lot of cleaning and they come up like new. But yeah, it is beautiful, just the build quality of it. And it's got my favourite cup holder fitted to any car. Literally, it's brilliant. I had a cup of coffee in there. I bought it from Reading, so drove 200 miles home and had a cup of coffee in there the whole way back, and it did not move at all. It was solid. But yeah, just the thickness of these doors and everything, it's just incredible. This is a facelift, so they actually made the armrest wider on the facelifts because people complained. But yeah, crazy. So there's that, and I'll just show you in the back. Also, I haven't seen this before. The seat belt, it's on a reel in the middle there. Oh, typical. Down there rather than, obviously they're now up there on most modern cars. But yeah, it's all cleaned up brilliantly. You've got the little rear vanity mirrors on there. Rear climate. Yeah, and you've got little reading lights as well, which are quite cool, just on the pillars there. But yeah, it's all cleaned up brilliantly. The guy had the wheels refurbished recently, so they're all good, but I've got some new wheel centres in the car. They'll be going on today. So I'll do another video shortly, just showing the car after it's all been polished and everything, and hopefully looking a lot better. Thanks for watching. Bye.